right, let's take this question. Find the derivative of the function y is equal to square root of 1 minus s squared. We have to find the derivative of the function y is equal to square root of 1 minus x squared. Okay, now let's go. Our function y is equal to square root of 1 minus s squared. It can be written this form: y is equal to 1 minus s squared raised to power 1 all over 2. It's the same. Okay, good. From here, we are going to say, we are going to call this 1 minus s squared a letter. Now let's choose a letter t. That means we are going to say let t equal to what? 1 minus s squared. Let 1 minus s squared be called a letter t. Okay, so that means in our function we are having y is equal to t raised to power 1 all over 2. Is that true? Y is equal to t raised to power 1 all over 2. Okay, now let's go. In this function, t is equal to 1 minus s squared. Here, let's differentiate t with respect to x. Let's do what? Differentiate t with respect to x. In doing so, we are going to have the t all over the x is equal to minus 2x. So when we differentiate 1 minus s squared, it's going to give us minus 2x. So the t all over the x is equal to minus 2x. Please hold this and then hold it tight. Okay, good. Now in our function, we are having y is equal to t raised to power 1 all over 2. From here, let's differentiate y with respect to t. Let's do what? Differentiate y with respect to t. In so doing, we are going to have dy all over dt is equal to 1 all over 2 times t raised to power 1 all over 2 minus 1 is going to give us minus 1 all over 2. Okay, good. We are going to have dy all over dt is equal to this 1 all over 2 times t is going to give us t, okay, all over 2. And then we are seeing that this t is having raised to power minus 1 all over 2. So we are now having dy all over dt is equal to t raised to power minus 1 all over 2 all over 2. Okay, good. Now this t raised to power minus 1 all over 2, it can be written like this. It can be written as 1 all over t raised to power 1 all over 2 all over 2. So when you perform this operation, we're going to have dy all over dt is equal to 1 all over 2t raised to power 1 all over 2. Hello, we're having dy all over dt is equal to 1 all over 2t raised to power 1 all over 2. Okay, now we discovered that this 1 all over 2 is the same as squared. Okay, from the beginning we changed squared to 1 all over 2 to raised to power 1 all over 2. Okay, now here let's bring it back. We're going to have dy all over dt is equal to 1 all over 2 square root of t. Hello, we're going to have dy all over dt is equal to 1 all over 2 square root of t. But remember that t is 1 minus s squared. Is that true? Yes. Here let's replace it. So we're going to have dy all over dt is equal to 1 all over 2 square root of 1 minus s squared. Is that true? Yes. Let's go. We have been solving for dy all over dt, but our main focus and what we are doing here, or what brought us here, is the differentiation of y with respect to x. Now here let's do the main job. We are going to have dy all over dx is equal to dy all over dt times dt all over dx. Hello. So our differentiation, or the derivative of y with respect to x, is going to give us the derivative of y with respect to t times the derivative of t with respect to x. You know, this dy all over dt have been solved above, and then dt all over the x have been solved above. So it's just for us to gather them together and multiply them. So we are going to have dy all over dx is equal to, our dy all over dt is 1 all over 2 square root of 1 minus x squared. Then times our dt all over dx is what? Minus 2x. So here we are going to have dy all over dt is equal to, let's multiply that. We are going to have minus 2x all over 2 square root of 1 minus x squared. Okay, so finally the derivative of y with respect to x in the function y is equal to square root of 1 minus x squared is equal to minus 2x all over 2 square root of 1 minus x squared. All right, thank you very much. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do. All right, and also remember to turn on the notification so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. Okay, let's continue with another example.